Hi there, how's it going? This is Ian here from Raqmedia.com.
Today we are going to unbox and review the Toshiba LED TV with a built-in receiver. Welcome back. This TV is a great option for those who want to enjoy their favorite shows and movies without the need for an external receiver. We will be taking a look at the features, design, and performance of this TV. So, let's get started. This is the Toshiba LED TV, which comes in a well-packaged box. Inside the box, you will find the TV, remote control, power cable, user manual, and warranty card. It is easy to assemble and comes with a stand that can be easily attached to the TV. Design. The Toshiba LED TV has a sleek and modern design that will look great in any room. Has a slim bezel that gives it a premium look. It has a built-in receiver that eliminates the need for an external receiver. The TV has a 43-inch screen that provides a clear and vivid picture. Features. The Toshiba LED TV comes with a range of features that make it a great option for those who want to enjoy their favorite shows and movies. It has a built-in receiver that eliminates the need for an external receiver. Has a 43-inch screen that provides a clear and vivid picture. It also comes with a remote control that makes it easy to navigate through the different features. The features of the Toshiba 32 inches LED TV with built-in receiver vary depending on the model, but here are some common features found in different models. Operating system. Some models come with Android 9.0 operating system. Built-in receiver. All models have a built-in receiver that eliminates the need for an external receiver. Netflix application. Some models come with a pre-installed Netflix application. Communication with YouTube. Some models allow communication with YouTube. Google Play Store. Some models come with Google Play Store. Google Assistant. Some models have Google Assistant that works via Android TV application on mobile. Chromecast. Some models have Chromecast built-in. Voice search. Some models have voice search that works via Android TV application on mobile. Display type. All models have LED display. HD type. Some models have HD, 1366 by 768, resolution, while others have Full HD, 1920 by 1080, or 4K, 3840 by 2160, resolution. Key feature. Some models have Dolby Digital Plus. Connectivity. Some models have 2 USB ports and 2 HDMI inputs. Performance. Experience an exceptional viewing journey with the Toshiba LED TV. Immerse yourself in the captivating visuals offered by its impressive 43-inch screen, delivering a crystal clear and vivid picture. Say goodbye to the hassle of external receivers, as this TV boasts a built-in receiver that streamlines your entertainment setup. With a variety of user-friendly features, effortlessly navigate through channels and explore a wide range of captivating shows. Discover the perfect blend of convenience and quality with the Toshiba LED TV. Overall, the Toshiba LED TV with a built-in receiver is a great option for those who want to enjoy their favorite shows and movies without the need for an external receiver. It has a sleek and modern design that will look great in any room. The TV provides a clear and vivid picture and has a range of features that make it easy to navigate through the different channels and shows. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell, so you never miss an update from our channel. As always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you. This is your host Azadeen. I will catch you in the next video. Until then, take care and happy viewing.
And with this, we have reached the end. Keep tuned for our coming tutorial. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. And if you have any comments or suggestions, please have them below and subscribe if you want more helpful videos like this. See you around. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.raqmedia.com